friend of mine and she's a client of mine, Anne, thank you for this. She shared a video with me on how to make the best pan-seared chicken fillet. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to try it here today, making a very quick lunch, and I'm going to share it with you. Fingers crossed that it turns out well. You can hear it sizzling. Once you've added the chicken, you now don't move it and time this for 4 minutes. The chicken is now ready to turn and to go into the oven. And you just put it uncooked side up. Now you place your pan back on the heat. I didn't add any additional coconut oil. A small amount. I've just made up about 200 mils of chicken stock. And then you just cook that down until there's just a small amount of it left to pour over the chicken breast. I'm going to add just a small amount of thyme, just about a level teaspoon. To plate up today, I'm going to put the chicken breast on avocado, loads of lemon juice on top of it, and then a mix of broccoli, carrot, and a few nuts. The sauce is still reducing down. I'm going to cut through just to make sure that it's fully cooked. So here we go. 2 minutes in. I might slice it from the other side actually, and then serve it that way. Perfect. Fully cooked. Let's serve it this way because it looks more attractive this way. Just drizzle a bit of this over the chicken. Bingo.